There are no mixing bowls on a table.
Where scale changes everything here, banana bread isn't made one loaf at a time. It's produced in hundreds.
Advanced machines handle mixing, baking, slicing, and packaging. Sensors measure temperature, weight, and energy. Humans still matter. Despite all the automation, skilled workers are everywhere, inspecting, testing, and
Intricate. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Cleanliness isn't optional here. Hairnets, gloves, sanitized.
Consistency is the real challenge. Making one good loaf is easy. Making thousands that all taste exactly the same.
From farm to factory, every banana here has a story. Grown on farms, harvested at the right time.
Timing is everything. Bananas wait for no one. Too green, they lack sweetness.
Why this process matters. Behind every packaged loaf is science, planning, and strict quality controls.
More than just bread rule. This is not just banana bread production, it's food engineering. It's how industry.
What you're about to see have. In the next sections, you'll witness bananas being cleaned, mashed, mixed, cooled.
The journey begins now. So sit back, relax, and get ready to go behind the scenes of one of the
arrival of fresh bananas, where the journey truly begins. The day starts at the factory gates before sunrise.
Massive trucks roll in carrying crates packed with fresh bananas. These are carefully selected from trusted farms known for quality and consistency. Each banana has traveled miles to get here. Grown in warm climates, harvested by hand, and transported under.
Timing makes the difference. Bananas are extremely sensitive. Arrive too early, they're too green. Arrive too late.
First stop, weighing and logging. As trucks unload, every batch is weighed and logged into the system. What inspectors look for? They check color, firmness, size, aroma, and surface damage. Even small bruises can affect texture and taste later in the process.
Only the best move-forward bananas that meet standards are approved instantly. Any fruit that doesn't make the cut is
Nothing goes to waste. Rejected bananas aren't simply thrown away. Many are redirected for composting, animal feed.
Approved bananas are moved into temperature-controlled holding areas. This slows ripening and keeps them at the perfect stage until processing begins.
Ripeness is carefully balanced, Gil. For banana bread, slightly overripe are ideal. They're sweeter, softer.
Speed without stress. Everything moves quickly, but never chaotically. The factory's design ensures bananas are handled gently, avoiding unnecessary damage. The first transformation. This is the moment bananas officially leave the world of raw fruit and enter the world of food processing.
As bananas move deeper into the factory, they enter a strictly controlled clean zone. From this point forward, hygiene is the top priority.
The water pressure is carefully controlled, strong enough to clean, gentle enough to protect the fruit from bruising.
That I's name charge.
After washing, excess water is removed using air blowers and drainage belts, so moisture doesn't affect later processing.
Peeling starts the transformation. Now comes peeling, the step where bananas finally reveal their soft, creamy interior.
Thousands of bananas are peeled every hour, yet each one is handled carefully to prevent damage to the fruit.
Banana peels are separated immediately and sent for composting, animal feed, or sustainable reuse. Nothing is wasted.
Once peeled, bananas are inspected again. This step catches hidden bruises or defects not visible before peeling. Hygiene never stops. Workers wear gloves, masks, and hairnets, while machines are sanitized regularly to prevent contamination.
Stainless steel everywhere. All equipment touching the bananas is made from food-grade stainless steel, designed for easy cleaning and durability.
The bananas are now ready. Clean, peeled, and perfectly sorted, the bananas are no longer just fruit. They're now ingredients.
Moving toward the heart of flavor, the peeled bananas continue on conveyor belts, heading toward the mashing machines, where flavor is truly unlocked.
Mashing the bananas, creating the flavor base, entering the flavor zone. This is where
massive stainless steel mashers boards. The bananas drop into large industrial mashers, powerful machines built.
Texture is everything. The goal isn't liquid and it isn't chunky. The mash must be smooth, consistent, and perfectly balanced.
Sensors monitor every detail. Built-in sensors track temperature, moisture level, and thickness in real time to ensure batch-to-batch consistency.
Protecting natural color. To prevent browning, small amounts of food-safe natural acids may be added, keeping the banana mash fresh and bright.
Too much mashing can destroy texture. The machines stop automatically once the ideal consistency is reached.
Color check complete on batch 11. Smell and mouthfeel approved.
Recording approval status.
Consistency across thousands of loaves at Sellies.
Every batch.
Sealed transfer systems. Once approved, the banana mash is pumped through sealed stainless steel pipes to prevent contamination.
The heart of banana bread. This mash carries the natural sweetness and moisture that define the final loaf.
Precision meets simplicity. It may look simple, but this step is a blend of food science and experience.
Ready for mixing wheels. With the banana base complete, it's time to combine it with other ingredients and build the batter.
Mixing the batter, where science meets taste. The moment ingredients unite. This is where individual ingredients stop being separate and become banana bread.
Enter the industrial huge stainless steel mixers, some taller than a person probably, stand ready to blend tons of batter at once.
Banana mash goes in first volume. The freshly prepared banana mash flows into the mixers, forming the sweet, moist base of the batter. Measured amounts of flour are added slowly to avoid clumping and ensure even blending.
Sweetness is precisely controlled. Sugar is added next, sometimes white, sometimes brown fulls.
Fats for moisture and softness, butter, oil, or plant-based fats are added to create richness and that signature soft texture.
Eggs, liquid egg products, or substitutes are mixed in to bind the batter and improve structure.
Baking powder or baking soda is added carefully to help the bread rise perfectly during baking.
Flavor enhancers join in. Salt, vanilla, cinnamon, or other natural spices are added to deepen and balance the flavor.
Order matters pattern. Each ingredient is added in a specific sequence. Change the order and the texture changes. Speed is carefully managed. Mixers rotate at controlled speeds. Too fast damages structure. Too slow causes uneven blending.
The viscosity levels are fluctuating outside the acceptable range. We need to adjust the mixing speed.
It seems to be stabilizing now. Temperature is holding steady.
Filling the pans Wilmans, shaping every loaf from liquid to form. After mixing, the banana bread batter is...
The role of portion control. In large-scale baking, even a few grams matter. Every loaf must weigh the
Why accuracy is critical. Too much batter causes overflow and uneven baking. Too little batter results.
Baking pans built for perfected into food grade action.
Consistent shape, consistent brand. Customers recognize products by appearance. These machines ensure every loaf has the same height, length, and volume.
Once filled, pans are placed on conveyor belts that move steadily toward the ovens without shaking or tilting.
For specialty banana bread, this is where toppings like walnuts, almonds, chocolate chips, or seeds are sprinkled evenly on top.
Even distribution techniques, special spreaders, or light vibration systems level the batter inside the pan so it bakes evenly from edge to center.
Despite automation, trained workers watch closely for misfills, misaligned pans, or irregular batter flow.
Cleanliness is constant. Machines are cleaned frequently to prevent buildup, contamination, or changes in portion size.
The final check before baking. Weight sensors confirm each pan meets the exact standard before it enters the oven zone.
Controlled heat from every side. Heat circulates evenly around each pan using forced hot air, ensuring every loaf bakes at the same rate.
Temperature precision matters. The ovens are set to exact temperatures. Too hot and the crust burns. Too cool and the bread stays raw inside.
As the heat increases, baking soda or baking powder activates, releasing gas that causes the batter to rise and expand. Moisture begins to evaporate. Water slowly escapes as steam, helping the bread set while keeping the inside soft and moist.
Sugars start to caramelize. Natural sugars from bananas and added sweeteners caramelize, creating the golden brown color and rich aroma.
Baking time is carefully timed. Each loaf spends a specific number of minutes in the oven. Conveyor speed controls baking duration precisely.
No guesswork allowed. Sensors filter constantly monitor.
Consistency across every loaf. Whether it's the first pan or the last, every loaf receives identical heat treatment.
Internal structure sets as proteins coagulate and starches gelatinize, locking the loaf into its final shape.
Freshly baked loaves exit the oven hot and delicate, ready for the cooling process that follows.
And cooling and quality checks. Patience perfects the loaf fresh from the oven. The banana bread loaves exit the oven hot, soft, and fragile.
Packaging hot bread would trap steam, creating moisture that leads to sogginess and mold. Cooling protects texture and shelf life.
Enter the cooling tunnels. The loaves move into long cooling tunnels, where air circulates evenly around every pan. Controlled airflow fans move air at a gentle, steady pace, strong enough to cool, gentle enough to prevent drying or cracking.
That's a nice open crumb, good moisture.
Excellent banana aroma.
And the texture confirms freshness.
Approved for release.
Rejecting imperfections fed.
Any loaf that doesn't meet standards is removed from the line immediately.
Continuous improvement tab. Data from inspections helps fine-tune baking times, temperatures, and mixing ratios. Hygiene maintained live. Cooling areas are just as clean as production zones, preventing contamination.
Approved for the next stage pone. Only loaves that pass every quality check move forward.
Slicing and packaging, sealing freshness from whole loaf to perfect slices. Some banana bread is sold whole, but most consumers prefer pre-sliced loaves.
Consistency matters. Every slice must be uniform. Too thick or too thin can affect baking, packaging, and customer satisfaction.
Optional additions will renounce. If the recipe includes extras like nuts, chocolate chips, or seeds, some are
sliced or whole. The bread now moves toward the packaging machines. Proper handling is crucial to prevent damage.
Preserving freshness, packaging materials are chosen to retain aroma, flavor, and moisture. Some loaves may be vacuum sealed or flow wrapped for longer shelf life.
Labeling with care. Each package is labeled with essential information: ingredients, nutritional facts, production date, and expiry date.
Any package with improper sealing, misalignment, or damaged bread is immediately rejected.
Hygiene and packaging workers wear gloves, hairnets, and masks, and machines are sanitized regularly to maintain safety standards.
Ready for storage or shipment men. Once wrapped and approved, loaves are boxed or placed on pallets for storage.
Efficiency meets safety. This step balances speed with safety, ensuring high output without compromising quality.
From factory to shelf, once packaged, banana bread is ready for distribution to supermarkets, bakeries, and cafes, reaching customers within days.
The journey is almost complete. From raw bananas to perfectly baked and packaged bread, the product
Leaving the factory floor now fully baked, sliced, packaged, and approved, the banana
organized for efficiency. Loaves are stacked neatly on pallets.
Bakery order confirmed. Take this pallet to staging lane 2.
All right, moving the bakery shipment now.
Careful handling during loading. Loaves are handled gently. Even minor crushing affect quality.
Modern distribution relies on precise logistics. Tracking systems and temperature monitoring ensure the bread arrives
from factory to supermarket shelves. Soon, these loaves will be on store shelves. Brightly packaged, they catch.
Morning. Here is your fresh bread delivery.
Wonderful. The customers are already asking for it.
From farm to table. From sun-soaked banana farms to trucks to fridge.
Every step is optimized for flavor, freshness, and consistency. The result is banana bread that tastes the same.
Appreciating the process.
Behind every slice bite carries months of careful planning, selecting bananas, transporting, peeling, mashing, mixing. The story doesn't end at consumption. Feedback from customers shapes future batches. New flavors are tested.
From fresh fruit to warm, delicious